How you doing today? Jason here, and I was cutting a line out today, and I came across some useful information, something I never thought to teach someone, but it helped me out, and I want to tell you a funny story. But anyway, on the cheeks here, see those inside grooves? You cut those out, you shape them, and you get a whole bunch of dust within those grooves. And it's a pain to get them out, and I've seen people take a file or even a smaller blade and try to pick at it or push it into the blade to clean it out. I had one guy tell me, and I wish I knew who it was because I want to get him back. But anyway, he told me to use the air compressor. And I took the little piece and I put the air compressor up against it and shot it across the garage. And I spent about a half hour probably looking for it instead of taking 5 minutes to recut it. But anyway, I owe that guy one. I want to remember who it is. But anyway, what I do is I have an example here. I don't know if you see the line there. It's like a L. But anyway, I cut the L. You shape the L. You get all that gook in there. What I do is I take that small piece, I flip it over so the carved or the shaped side's facing down. And hopefully you have enough flat surface to do this, but you take that, go over to the saw, line up that blade to that line because the line's visible now on the back side because there's not all that dust in there. You can see your cut. So you line it up with there and the blade will follow that cut. You don't really have to push anything into it at all. It'll just feed right into it and blow all that dust out for you. Flip it over, check it out. If you like the results, hit subscribe. Follow me.